Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Adelia Puspita, and I will making video about my language assessment project, and we're gonna talk about GPAS. Before we're gonna start, and I will give you the list of content that I want to explain it. The one is about definition and purpose, and the second is advance and disadvantage of GPAS, and then the next is about create for GPAS, and then the application of GPAS, and the last is about the scoring of the GPAS. So the first we're gonna talk about definition of GPAS. What is GPAS? GPAS is a paragraph length text in which the second half of every second word is deleted. Language a specific variance in deletion procedure might exist. Examiners reconstruct response by completing the deleted part of the word. And then we're gonna next talk about purpose of GPAS. The purpose is measures language proficiency by assessing understanding of context, vocabulary, and grammar. And the next, we're gonna talk about the advance of GPAS. The first is in GPAS, a variety of texts are recommended. A short text can be from a large number of items. And then the second is the correction of the text can be objectively scored as it's a rare to have more than an answer. And then the third is the results are encouraging in terms of reliability and fallibility. And then we're gonna talk about disadvantages of GPAS. The first is the face validity is low because there are many blanks. And then the second is if the isolated words are difficult, the test taker concreted their mind in guessing the vocabulary instead of completing the text. Next, we're gonna talk about how to create a GPAS. The first that you have to do is select a text, like choose a text appropriate for the proficiency level. And then the next, you have to remove part of word, like blank out second half of every other word. And then the next is about pilot text. It's like test with a sample group to ensure clarity and adjust if needed. This is the example of GTS, like they have the paragraph and then they blank out the word, and then you have to complicate the paragraph. And then next is about application of GTS. GTS are assessments that can be used for both second language as question, research, and world language educational purpose. For example, for the language placement test for school and university, and then language proficiency testing for job application, and then used to study language as question and proficiency. This is how to be scoring rubric for the GTS, and I use the holistic scoring method. In holistic scoring, you evaluate the test as a whole, focusing on the overall accuracy and fluency of response rather than scoring each item separately. This is the rubric holistic scoring method. So I will give you the score 5 for the all gaps fill in expressly, demonstrating a clear understanding of context. And then I will give you score 4 if most gaps fill in the correctly with minor error that do not impede meaning. And then I will give you score 3 for the some correct answer. However, there are noticeable gaps in understanding. And I will give you score 2, like for many incorrect answer, limited evidence of comprehension. And I will give you score 1 to very few correct answer, like indicating understanding. So this is my reference for my this is the reference to my slide. And then I think it's enough for me, and thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.